Hello guys, welcome to Akshay's vlog. Hope you guys are doing really safe and fine and sound and good. Yes, we are back with another video. On today's video, we are going to be watching about the most controversial topic. In fact, this video is going controversial across the YouTube channel. Across YouTube, everywhere this video is going controversial. Solo creators versus corporate creators. This video, this concept is going controversial now. But this concept of solo versus corporate, this issue has been happening over 2 years. Yes, you heard it right. That is what we are going to be looking out today. Before getting into the channel, if you're new to our channel, do subscribe, click on the like button and share this video to as many as possible. Let's get into the video without wasting much time. Before getting into the topic, it would be great if you could wear your headphones and watch this video. Nothing disclaimer content or something. Many of y'all gave me feedback stating that your voice is not audible, the mic which you're using is not really audible. Thing is, I have a Boyo mic with me, but I don't know, when I connect it to my phone, there is some disturbance that is happening. So many videos I had to do multiple shoots and then edit, which was giving me a lot of trouble. So I've not become that rich enough to upgrade our channel. So looking at the support, eventually we'll definitely promise and purchase a good mic and develop our channel. For that, you need to show all your support. So for now, I'm managing with my earphone mics itself. It's a earphone mic. So if you can wear your headphones and watch, this video and audio would be even more clear and specific. So let's get into the video without wasting much time. So this topic is gonna be solo versus corporate. So I'll just give you a quick glimpse. I'm gonna be little fast in this video, so adjust with my speed. So basically what happened is this problem went so viral across the Tamil Nadu YouTube platform. All the Chennai and the Tamil Nadu top creators from Madan Gauri, Irfan bro, who is a food blogger, Innovation Plus Vijay, everybody, literally everybody took up this topic and started speaking. Reason is, there is a channel called Wow Life. It's basically a YouTube channel from a TV celebrity. I'm not going to mention anybody's name because who knows, they might give copyright strike to my channel also. So there is, okay, let's consider there is a YouTube channel. There are sets of YouTube channel. In this lockdown, so many TV celebrities, they didn't have work, so they started doing a YouTube channel. They started a YouTube channel because YouTube is an open platform for many people, right? So they started creating a YouTube channel, and all the popular TV celebrities started getting a very massive support for their YouTube videos because they're obviously well known, recognized in the television industry, right? So already lakhs and crores of people would be knowing them. So when they started this channel, audience would be all obviously surprised. How will their room look? How will their fridge look? What will be there inside a celebrity's fridge? Now if I come and show my house fridge, you wouldn't be interested because it is going to be a normal fridge. But when I show you how does Amitabh Bachchan's fridge look, how does Shah Rukh Khan's bathroom look, you would obviously be surprised and you'll get in and watch, right? So that is how it started. So there's a channel called Wow Life, run by a TV celebrity, a TV anchor. She was a Big Boss contestant also, a very good anchor, to be honest. So they started this channel and they were posting good content. So one fine day last month, what they did, they were planning to do a bathroom content. A bathroom tour is what it is. Everybody were doing fridge tour, everything, it was common. These people, their channel, her mom and her daughter, they started a bathroom tour channel. Bathroom tour video was released, and that video within a day it got a massive hit, and everybody literally started watching the video. But so many people started showing hatred, so many people started trolling them, giving them negative feedbacks, everything. So what other people started doing, the solo creators. So solo creators, what they started doing, they started trolling that video, and some people went to an extent of abusing the video, trolling the video. And these two creators, no, these two channels creator, they lost their mind and they started giving copyright to everyone. Before getting too deeply into the video, let me explain what is solo and what is corporate. So solo creator is a person like me. I don't have any team. I'm just taking the video, I am editing it by myself, I am uploading it onto the YouTube. But corporate creator, it is totally gonna be different. They work on a corporate basis. Now they'll be having an X company. Let's consider X company. There are so many corporate companies. So there is some company called X company. These channel creators, these celebrities, what they do, they go and approach the corporate companies, or corporate companies come and approach these TV celebrities or any celebrities who are running a YouTube channel. They say, uh, whatever revenue you are getting, in that 50 to 60% you pay us, we will take care of anything. You want a studio, we'll give you a studio. You want a cameraman, we'll give you a cameraman. You want an editor, we'll come and give you an editor. We will handle your complete YouTube. What you need to do, just come appear on the YouTube, talk, and we will promote your channel. We'll make sure that we promote your channel and make sure that you get a lot of views. That is how corporate basis works. They'll have some agreements and stuff. But when it comes to solo creator, it is not like that. Now whatever I shoot, whatever I record, editing, everything is done myself, and whatever income, as of now I'm not getting any income from YouTube, but in general I'm telling, if I have to take one specific name, let's consider Tamil Nadu's or India's biggest YouTuber called Mumbaikar Nikhil or Madan Gauri, or any big YouTube creator. They will be shooting videos by themselves, or they'll be having their friends who will come shoot. It is completely theirs. Whatever income they are getting, it is a solo income for them. They are not going to be paying to any corporate to promote their video. But when it comes to these kind of television celebrities who are running their channel, no, corporate will take care of everything. So in case if I start trolling their videos, the company will give a copyright strike to me. So this is what happened when the bathroom tour video was released in this channel. The video became so popular and people started trolling them, and these corporate companies started giving copyright strike and they started banning so many channels. So this is where the clash between the corporate and solo actually started in India last month. So what solo creators, all the top YouTubers started talking about this, telling that instead of giving a warning, they could have at least, instead of banning their channel or giving a copyright strike, they could have gently called and spoken. Because what they are telling, even if so many solo creators video was taken and reposted, they don't give copyright to them, they just call and tell, they just message them. If they cross the limit, then they give a copyright strike. So what these people, the solo creators, have understood, are in a state is that corporate people are coming, they are taking all the privilege from the celebrities are coming, they're taking the help of corporate, and they're trying to finish solo creators and occupy the complete YouTube platform as a corporate YouTube platform. First thing what we need to know is, YouTube application itself is a corporate company. Inside this YouTube application, there is a war between solo and corporate which is happening. So this is what is happening. So what solo creators are angry on the corporate creators are that solo creators, there are multiple. During lockdown only, when I started this channel thinking I would get some name and fame. So solo creator, there would be so many growing channel. I am having now 100 subscribers, and another channel might be having 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakhs, 1 million, 2 million. So corporate channels, no, they are trying to finish all these thousands. Now let's consider, I'll give you a simple example. I am a very big rich man. Okay, I'm having 1 crore rupees in my hand, and there are so many small chota businessmen with 1 lakh, 2 lakhs worth. What I will do, I'll try to finish all this small businessmen, and I will combine with all the big businessmen, and I'll occupy the complete country. No politics, huh? I'm just giving you a simple example. That is what is happening now. I am going to be taking a famous YouTuber name. His name is Madan Gauri. He spoke about the same solo versus corporate. That YouTube video got only 9 lakh views, and that video was not in trending. 9 lakh views is a big number, guys. 9 lakh views is a big number. Same, one more TV celebrity posts a fridge video. That video didn't get even 5 lakh views, but is in #1 trending. How is this possible? That is where solo creators are getting angry. So this is one concept which is controversial now. But this concept, this fight, this war already started 2 years back. That is what we are going to watch now. World's biggest solo creator, famous solo creator is Mr. PewDiePie from Sweden, if I'm not wrong. PewDiePie is world's biggest solo YouTube creator. He is having 110 million followers single-handedly. One of the biggest and richest YouTuber when it comes to solo creator. PewDiePie, before 2-3 years before Jio and all comes in India, no, PewDiePie was dominating the YouTube thing. One of the biggest YouTube across the world. Everybody, he started having followers, fans. 89 millions is a big number, guys. It is not a small number. It will take years, but his hard work paid off and he started creating. Another side, in India, what happened? T-Series, one channel started. It is a corporate music company or production company, whatever you call. T-Series started coming equal to a solo creator. So T-Series is corporate, here PewDiePie is a solo creator. T-Series comes, gives a tough battle. Now T-Series is a corporate company who's having thousands of people working under them. But here PewDiePie is one-man army who's fighting against these people. The war started. T-Series started promoting. T-Series started. I'm not. I don't. T-Series started creating a situation that a foreigner is getting. How come we Indian channels can't get 80 million subscribers? 80 million subscribers. 85 million. 85 million. 87 million. 89 million. Head to head. The count started like election rallies. Head to head. The fight started becoming between both the creators. Sadly, at one point of time, T-Series overtook PewDiePie. The corporate company overtook PewDiePie, and now they are at 180 million and PewDiePie is at 110 million. So corporate, this happened couple of years back, and now T-Series is obviously at the top, and PewDiePie is one of the biggest individual solo creator. So this already started back, but it became viral now. So one thing what I would like to take out of this is YouTube is a public forum. Anybody can talk. Tomorrow even Narendra Modi can come and start a channel and he can start doing. Barack Obama, former US president, is having a channel and he is making vlogs. So many Hollywood actors, they are making YouTube vlogs. YouTube is an open forum for anybody to do. But to all the big creators, have some mercy on solo creators. You people have faced a tough challenges. Barack Obama, let it be. I'm not telling Barack Obama is giving a copyright strike. Anybody who's having a channel, no? These people, even you would have struggled in your initial stage to become a television anchor or to become a film star or to become anything, to become popular. You didn't just come up like a nepotism product, right? No politics again. So you also fought all the struggles, and now because of that television reach, we are having some subscribers. Solo creators like us are also struggling more than money. We are struggling to get fame out here. So instead of straight away banning the channel, you can at least gently call them or message them. You're anyways having a corporate company to take care of everything. You can gently tell them once. Tell them, please don't do this, remove this video. If they don't do, then next point you can go and give a strike. I'm not objecting. If they're really abusing you, you can do that. But instead of that, straight away giving a copyright strike is nowhere fair, no? Tomorrow, who knows, even this video would be taken off if they give a copyright strike. Even my channel will get banned. But my channel is not having that many followers. So maybe I can take the videos and post on another channel and I can start. But imagine people who are going from scrap, so many Akshay's bloggers would be there. So many junior Madan Gauris would be there. So many youngsters would be there. So many people would have built 1,000 numbers. For me, 90 numbers is a big number. 100 numbers, I'm having a subscriber count. That is a big number. I would have asked so many people to subscribe. So many amount of hard work and effort I would have put to create a video. So corporate companies, in the sense, they'll take care of editing. We don't have costly editors. We don't have costly cameras. We don't have costly mic. It is all because of our complete hard work and dedication. We are taking hours and hours. I still remember, guys, my first video when I took. Overnight, I didn't even sleep. My parents were scolding me. What are you sitting and doing? I didn't know how to edit. It took so much time. Literally, if you go part-time job was my first video which I made. Literally 8 to 10 hours I took to edit that video. That video, I didn't even have Power Director. I had KineMaster. I took KineMaster, then that, watermark will be there. Then I edited the video. The video got deleted. Some clips got deleted. Again, literally 8 to 10 times I had to sit and edit so much. Now eventually I know how to take a video, how to edit a video and upload it quickly within minutes. But initially all the solo creators, we are all facing tough time to get name. So this is a simple concept. Now who knows, tomorrow let's consider one YouTuber, one solo creator like Madan Gauri or Mumbaikar Nikhil, anybody is having 10 million followers here. Let's consider 5 to 10 million followers here. There. Here there might be another corporate company who might start and finish Madan Gauri and Mumbaikar Nikhil. That is how YouTube corporate companies are working to finish. I'm not against corporate, but support solo creators. Even we want name, even we want fame, even we want to become famous. So this is the only platform where we can expose our talent and do something and become something in life. So that is the video all about. Nothing controversial. Please don't think that I am taking a stand towards solo creators. I am a solo creator, so I have to support myself or our community of solo creators. Please do support us, and also to all my followers, whoever is watching this video, please do subscribe and show us some support, guys. It is so disappointing to see subscribers count not increasing. I'm keeping so many YouTubers, solo creators as inspiration and making this video. I hope you would show me at least 1% of support and subscribe and share this video. And also do comment on the comment box, whom do you support? If you are supporting corporate, if you think that corporate creators are doing right, that also you comment. If you're thinking that solo creators are doing really good, comment J solo creators. And also like this video, share, support, and show us your support. So I shall see you guys in another video very very soon. If you want me to talk on any such issues, please do comment that also on the comment box below. This video, as usual, it would be somewhere around 15 minutes. I've tried to cover all the issues what is happening across our country and world in a single video. I hope you would have got some information about it. If yes, comment on the comment box below. See you guys in another video soon. Let the lockdown and all end, and probably we can do a travel vlog once again, because only travel vlogs are getting some views in our channel. Now I can't go anywhere, and also please be safe guys. We are working so hardly. That is the only reason I'm not able to post so many videos. I'm volunteering for so many teams during this COVID in Bangalore. And if you want to know about that, comment that also in the comment box below, so that I can post a video about how we are working and how we are supporting people. See you all in another great video soon. Take care, stay safe. Jai Hind, Jai Solo Creators. Bye.